Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and we have a package unboxing. This is an external keyboard. I already have an external keyboard. This one from Zeg, I don't know the model number. This was a gift from the office. It is a Bluetooth device. I got it early last year, but some problems are there with the connectivity, and I'm not sure if it's a problem with my laptop's Bluetooth connectivity, or if it's actually a problem with this one. And my laptop is 5 years old, so don't really have the budget to buy a new one at the moment, so I'm going to wait for maybe 6 months down the line. Anyway, I do have a problem with my laptop's keyboard as well, because or rather I should say, the reason is I've got certain keys which will not press properly. You type up something, and I'm a decently speedy typer. I write a lot. I blog a lot as well. So when I type, suddenly find out that B is not typed in, or T is not typed in, or D is not typed in. A few letters here and there. And so I thought I had 2,000 rupees as an Amazon gift voucher, again from the office. So I thought, why not spend that on an external keyboard. Now this comes to 2,698, I believe. So yeah, this is the one that I purchased, and this is from I do not know how to pronounce this properly. I've heard two ways of pronouncing it. I believe it's a Chinese company, and it is a budget external keyboard. It's called MageGee, or MageGee, MageGee. So I'm going to say it's probably MageGee or MageGee. I don't know. So it just arrived a few minutes ago. So let's unbox it. You need a scissors to cut the package apart, and let's go. And I don't really think it's a big company. It is a pretty small company. Saw a few reviews on it the last few days, just before I placed the order. Placed the order late last night, like after dinner, maybe like around 9:30. But it got delivered today. Okay, that's the external cover, of course. Make sure it doesn't fly off. We've got what I think is it's the return label. If I want to return this. So like I mentioned, I did look at some budget options, and I looked at the cheap ones. There's a few that I do want to buy. Don't want to spend more than, like I said, I don't want to spend too much money on them. That's the other problem. The reason is money is tight these days. That's all I'm going to say about that. Reasons that I don't have any control over at the moment. Anyway, so this is what it's called, the Star75, the MK Star75 from MageGee or MageGee. Like I said, it's most of the reviewers do not know how to pronounce it either. It's got this kind of cool company logo. And this is the color that I bought it in. They've got way different ones. I almost went for the white, black, and orange color, but then I decided I actually like the darker colors of the maroon and the black instead. And we have... Oh yeah, so let me tell you a little bit about the device while I do the unboxing. So it's called the Star75 Portable PC Gaming Keyboard, white and black, and like I said, they've got additional keys which are maroon in color. Compact black blue lit wired gaming keyboard, so that's one thing that I would like. It is a 75%, as it says. I'm not sure. Kind of looks like more like 65% to me, but I will go with what they're saying. Portable gaming keyboard, white and black, connects via USB. And I will also be ordering a USB extension as well. Oh yeah. So like I mentioned, you've got these extra keys. Yeah, extra keys over here. And I just noticed that there is an ad for a sponsored one for Amazon Basics. And you've got a booklet. You've got whatever this device is called that you can use to remove the keys. So I will be putting them in. Like I mentioned, but then why do they advertise it as with the maroon color? That's something which I don't understand. You also get a USB cord. I think it's USB B to USB A or C, whatever it's called. I'm not good at that. There's a warranty card. Put it along with this. I don't lose that. The smell of the plastic cover. And yeah, this is the keyboard. So I do want to, I don't know if I can record myself doing that, but like I said, I do want to make it the way it looks like over here. So when you get it, and it's got the knob, I have to see what exactly the knob is for. It's for brightness or volume. When you see over here. But this is what the keyboard actually looks like. And when you get it, it's in black and white. But you can remove these. And they're pretty easy to remove from what I saw in all the videos. And there are people who review like hundreds and hundreds of keyboards. Man, that must be a... But then yeah, they've also got a lot of subscribers, so I guess that pays for it. So yeah, you've got these, there's no numpad. That's my biggest problem with all the, I mean, there are options for that. So the next one that I buy will probably have a numpad. I actually love using a numpad. Every laptop that I buy has a numpad on the keyboard. This one doesn't have it. You've got at least the up and down arrow keys here. And I think this is the technical word that they use. This is called a torque. It's been a long time since I've used one of these keyboards, like way long time. Yeah, it's pretty talky, I guess. Is that a word? Yeah, that's kind of like what they say with it. And yeah, this is a budget one, so it is plastic. It's not, doesn't have any brushed aluminum or any other kind of metal in it, but it is a good plastic. So when the next thing I'm going to do is, okay, so yeah, let's make that perhaps the second video. Don't want to make it too long either. So this is the keyboard as it is. Oh yeah, and you've got these props. Yeah, these will come in handy. This is the one. So you can extend it. There's two heights that you can extend it to and make it comfortable enough for you to type. So yes, this is the unboxing for the Star75 from MageGee or MageGee, however you want to pronounce it. Yeah, it seems nice. So let's see you in the next video where after I try to remove all this stuff, and I'm not sure if I can actually show me doing it, but yeah, let's try it out. Thank you. So I managed to get the space bar out. Let's see if I can do it just with one hand. Let's try this. Here we go. It's pretty simple to do. But again, it helps if you have both the hands on it. Because now I can't take it off. There we go. I mean, damn it, let her pick that up. But if you didn't have this device, it might be a little problematic. But otherwise, it seems to be okay. Yeah. Hey, so as you can see, I have now replaced the ones that it actually shows on the box. So it kind of looks more red on the camera. I'm not sure how it's gonna, but it is kind of maroon for me. It's probably the lighting and the camera effect. So this is how it looks on the box. As you can see, it's more maroon, and it is actually maroon for me, or when I see it without looking in through the phone. But yeah, so I do have more that I can replace. Maybe I'll do that a little later. I'm okay with this for the time being, but I'm thinking maybe backspace and shift I can put as maroon as well. That's how it looks like. All right, so now the test is, of course, to connect it.